I'm gonna be spray painting it black, but not the whole thing. Just most of the white, but not the purple. I'm gonna keep the purple. Here's what you'll need for the project. For this project, you'll need basic hand tools, some tack cloth, any color of spray paint, and some 2 pieces of sandpaper and a few stickers, new stickers if you want to put them on. First, you'll need to take off some of the stickers, because if you don't, then it will look a little bit bumpy when the paint comes. With the hand tools, we're going to disassemble the bike for painting. Wait, how do you do it?
Push the button, pull it off, okay. Now push the button and put that one on. Okay, now loosen up this one right here, same way. Get in there. Push it. There you go. Now push it down. Pull it towards you.
Oh, it's like the other way.
Lefty loosey. Can you say lefty loosey?
Lefty loosey.
Okay, ratchet it back. Okay. Forward. Good, that should be good. Both feet on the...
That was easy.
Yes. What do you got there?
A hat.
Oh, what assembly is that?
A wheel.
Which wheel?
The cockpit.
The front wheel. The steering wheel, the front wheel.
For rusty parts on the bike, use WD-40.
Squeeze. Good. Okay, now pull it up and loosen it up. Easy peasy, huh? Nope, the other way. So if the wrench is angled out. Use this end, but angle it out. See how this has an angle to it? Can you see that? Can you see that subtle angle right there?
Yeah. Okay, this way?
Yes.
Now we have to loosen the coaster brake. This is a Phillips head screwdriver.
What does it look like?
A plus. This thing is tiny!
Okay, loosen it up.
Maybe a baby could use this if they know how.
That's it, go forward. Forward. There you go. Good.
So we're gonna put this screw and the nut back together in here so you don't lose your parts.
Good. Good. Yep. Like that. Keep going. All the way around. Good. Good. Okay. Good. What do you got there?
Another wheel.
Which wheel?
Wait, the rear wheel.
That's right.
do it.
It's a puzzle, huh? You're gonna have to disconnect the chain. Yeah, it's trapped in there, huh? Yeah. Take it off the frame. Push it. Good.
The hand. Now we're gonna take off the seat.
Right on there.
Okay.
Good.
Got it.
Good.
Don't put WD-40 where you're gonna put the paint. I'm gonna take off the stickers. This one is probably gonna be easy peasy. Squeezy. Thick inside.
No, these frames are hollow metal. See these welded beads? It's welded. Ponies! Again?
They were playing hide and seek for a long time under that sticker.
And that sticker there.
Okay.
Good.
My little pony.
Not for long.
No. Sometimes a hair dryer works better.
Put it right on it. Right here. Ta-da!
Always clean up your tools so it doesn't get stuck in what you're doing. So now we're gonna clean it with some lighter fluid. These two sheets of sandpaper aren't alike that much because this one is rougher and this one is less rough. Smoother. So start with the rough one first. You might want to start with a small piece like this. This is wet or dry sandpaper. So get it wet and start sanding. And sanding. And sanding. It might take off of some of the paint, so just dip it back in the water and keep sanding until it seems like forever. Now we're gonna remove the master link to take off the chain. Take the chain off. Now we're gonna take off the pedals. This pedal is threaded backwards, so it doesn't come off when you pedal it. one's lefty-loosey.
There you go.
Rinse off the bite and give it a sanding with the fine sandpaper. Now we'll let the bike dry. Now we're gonna go into town to find some parts.
Big puddles.
Needing tires, tubes, hand grips, pedals, stickers, and a seat. Here's my list. These are only 12 bucks. These pedals are just $9. And make sure you get the right size thread. This one is 1/2 inch. These are only $7 too. Or I could hold it. Tires checked, tubes checked, hand grips checked, pedals checked, stickers not checked.
Okay.
It's time to mask off the parts that you don't want to paint. We've decided to remove the handlebars.
Again?
What I'm doing is I'm putting the sandpaper on the table and I'm rubbing the bolt against the sandpaper to remove the rust. Use compressed air to put your hand grips on. Tap cloth and wipe down the dust. Also, just rub very light with the tack cloth. Shake up your can of paint. Do not paint it directly in the sun.
Tell them not to breathe the fumes.
Do not breathe in the fumes. Don't apply too much paint or it will run. Crazy. Make sure there are no holidays in your paint job. That means you make sure you didn't miss any spots.
Oops. Too close there. Wow, that's starting to look pretty cool, huh, Julianne?
Mm-hmm. Proper preparation is 90% of a good paint job. Now let's do the tires. This is a valve core remover.
Take it all the way out. It might pop out. Yeah, it's going to hiss and it might pop out at you a little bit. Undo it. Yeah, don't be afraid of it. Ah, it's not going to get you. If you want, deflate the tire first. So just push down on push down on that here.
Now we're gonna let the air out.
Good.
Now we're gonna break the bead.
Good.
Take the tire off with tire irons. Now you can do it by hand. Just take the inner tube out. Hand remove the tire.
Yeah.
Ow.
Say that.
Just looks like an old car wheel. Now I'll clean the rim. Check the tuning of your spokes. If there are any loose ones, tighten it up. There's where you tighten it up. So you can also tighten them up here. Check the condition of your rubber band. It protects the inner tube. Put your tire on halfway on like this, so that you can put your inner tube in. First, put the valve stem in. Tuck the inner tube inside the tire. Like you're putting sheets in a bed.
There.
Inflate the tire. I can see it going up.
Yeah, look at that. You can see it going up. Huh?
Inflate till the tire is hard. So you put your feet on here, and then you just pump it up, then pump it down. You got it? If you get tired, if you have a brother or sister, make them do it.
Go, Pete.
Well, I get some water.
Keep going. Is it hard?
When I push it down, it's hard, and when I push it up, it's not hard.
Because you're fighting the pressure inside the tire.
Next, we'll remove the seat.
There you go. And again, another one. Now grab the other nut on the other side. Do the same. That one's going to come towards you, I think.
Reassemble all the parts like on the old seat.
Good. There. Okay, now get that piece, slide it onto there. Onto the axle. To the lower. Yeah, good. Okay. just loosely. Okay, that's good. Now start this one on the other side. Good. Okay, and pull that one towards you now. Mm-hmm.
Now we're going to start removing the tape and see how our paint job turned out.
Yeah.
Mom likes him. Me and him and Mom hang out all the time.
Oh, okay.
It's pretty stubbly too. Pretty proud of that.
Okay, slow. Go slow. Good.
I'm being as careful as I can.
Okay.
Wow. Looks like a cupcake. Well, the paint job turned out great. So now let's reassemble the bike. First, let's put the seat on.
Slide it on.
Right.
Push, push, push.
Do I have to slide it on down?
Loosen it up a little more. Slide it on down. I think that's it.
We put some fresh grease on the seat post. There we go. Next, let's put the handlebars on.
You know what I like is your color coordinated, your outfit today. Okay.
Oh, you did it black.
Mm-hmm. How do we know it? Good, grab another screw.
Kind of wiggly.
And another one. Okay, go back. Ratchet back. Go again. Okay, good. And the other one? Move it over one. Good.
Oh.
Yep, keep going. Mm-hmm.
Now let's put the pedals on. Yeah, it's tight. Oh, remember, this one is backwards. It's kind of hard to keep it on.
Now pull it down towards you. Hard. Okay.
Okay. Now let's put the new wheels on.
Oh, that looks good. Now pull it up.
Up.
Mm-hmm. Take another bite at it.
Getting tighter. Now let's put the chain back on. We'll connect it by using the master link.
Come right up in here where my hands are.
Hands are dirty.
That's the hands of a mechanic. this clip going this way. Now come over here with the camera, film it, turn it over that way, hold it very still. Okay, good. Now pull the chain, grab the chain back here and loop it onto this sprocket. Bring it back, bring it over that axle, bring it back, back. Flip it over the axle. Good. Okay, and put it on that sprocket. Good. Now put the chain back on the top sprocket. Good.
Now you have to adjust your chain tension. So you also need to align your wheel because it felt looser.
Good.
Don't forget your coaster brake or you will not stop.
Good. Sometimes you have to use the braille method. You know what that means? Yeah, you have to be able to do it without looking, just like you're doing.
In your coaster brake. Now you are done making the bike.